Hello, young explorers. We've heard that back at Earth, you're struggling with this concept called equations. Fear not. We Ganitis have discovered a simple visual representation of what an equation really is the weighing scale. Now, I'm sure all of you must be familiar with what a weighing scale does. It balances some stuff on the right with stuff on the left. So let's see what we have here. The puzzle says multiply the right side and then balance the scale. Right now, there is one steel weight on the right side and 3 apples on the left. So let's multiply it. Okay, so now there's another steel weight on the right side and therefore the right side has become heavy. Let me add a few apples to see if I can balance it. So here we go. I have added 2 apples. Now let me see if that balances the scale. Not really. The left side is still lighter. So let me go ahead and add a few more apples. I added 2 previously and now I'm going to add, let's say, 3 more. Okay, that's 2 and 3. Oops, the left side has become too heavy. So let me remove 1 apple and see what happens. I think it is still heavy. Let me remove another one. Now I think it's balanced. So let's just remember that I added 3 apples on the left side to balance the scale. And now let's go on to the next step. Now we have 1 steel weight on the right side and 4 apples on the left. When we multiply, now we've got 3 steel weights on the right side. Since I added 3 apples in the last puzzle, I'm going to go do the same thing. Now let's see what happens. That didn't really work. Maybe it's not the number of apples that's consistent across questions. How about this? Since 1 steel weight was equal to 4 apples, 3 steel weights can be equal to 4 into 3, 12 apples? Let's try that. We already have 7 apples on the left side. I'm going to go ahead and add 5 more. That's the second one, the third one, the fourth and the fifth. Now we have a total of 12 apples on the left side. Now let's see whether this works. Oh yeah, it actually did work. So basically the rule seems to be if you've multiplied one side with a number, you have to multiply the other side also with that same number to balance the scale. Let's see one more problem and check whether our rule holds. Okay, so now we've got 1 steel weight on the right and 2 apples on the left. When we multiply, the right side has been multiplied by 2. So if we were to apply our rule here, we would need to add 2 into 2, a total of 4 apples on the left side, which means I need to add 2 more. 1 and 2. Now let's see whether our rule holds. There you go, it did hold. So far what we have learned is that an equation is nothing but simply balancing 2 sides like you'd balance a weighing scale. We've also seen that in a balanced equation, if you multiply one side with one number, then you need to multiply the other side with the same number to balance the equation again. Stay tuned and watch out for more videos as we explore this equation concept in more depth. Thank you.